Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the mass irregularity check and how to check this in ETABS software. The mass irregularity check is given in IS 1893 Part 1 2016. The mass irregularity shall be considered to exist when the seismic weight of any floor is more than 150% of that of the floor below. That means the current story mass divided by mass of the story below. If that ratio is greater than 1.5, we can call this as a mass irregularity. To check this in ETABS software, you can come to analysis results, structure output, other output items. Here you can right click on center of mass and rigidity. For this you need a simple file or Excel file. I will show you. Here you just need to copy this story and then simply copy the mass in x direction, or you can compare this with y direction if your masses are not identical. So here you can check for fifth floor we have taken the mass of the fifth floor divided by the mass of the fourth floor. Okay, and the ratio comes out to be 1. That means the status is regular. Okay, if it is greater than 1.5, then we say mass irregularity exists, and generally this clause is not applicable as we are taking the story below. So generally for terrace it is not taken because terrace are generally lightweight. So this is mass irregularity check. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe the channel.